Hey guys, my name is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel. Today's watercolor video is for those friends who are either beginners in watercolor or who don't have a lot of time, have busy schedules, and in their free time want to do some instant beautiful leisure paintings. So let's come to the video. I did a freehand drawing of a floral arrangement and will be doing the painting in 3 easy and quick steps. As the first step, I'm preparing the background by painting the flowers very loosely. You can paint each flower using a single pigment or use 2 to 3 pigments for shadings. It's all your choice. Just paint this layer freely. Don't worry about not being able to do the shadings. Move your hand very freely. This painting is bound to look beautiful. I'm doing the shading of the first flower using 3 complementary pigments. I'm using Crimson Lake Red, Gamboge Hue Yellow, and I've made purple using Crimson Red and Prussian Blue in the ratio of approx 5:1. This is just a reference. You can use any pigments of your choice. For the second flower also, I'm using the same 3 pigments. I'm using a 25% cotton cold pressed watercolor paper, 300 GSM. Very good for our initial practice. Artist Watercolors and Bristol Artist Natural Hair Mob Brush, size 0. So this way I very loosely do the first layer. Once the layer dries, I come to the pen work. I'm using a 0.5 mm black gel pen here. You can use any pen of your choice. Combine 2 to 3 pens of different thickness, different colors, as you wish. The only thing to remember is that the pen should not smudge once we do the final layer of watery pigment on it. So this pen work was the second step. Now we come to the third step of doing the final layer of pigment. Here I'm using the same pigments, only darker tones for finishing the flowers. You can introduce any new pigments as well. The best thing about these types of paintings is that we don't have to worry about the pigments flowing out or any mistakes which we don't want to do in a watercolor painting. In fact, we are taking out the pigments, crossing the black outlines sometimes to form a part of the abstract background. The pigments are neither too watery nor too thick, and I'm merging them using water wherever required. These paintings are a great practice to improve the flow of our hand. All you need is a good mood and a little patience. Though it's an easy work, don't rush with it. Patiently do the shading, the pen work. You're creating a great piece which will give you immense satisfaction and pleasure, so don't rush with it. So guys, our super easy and beautiful painting is almost done. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. In case you like it, please press the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with yet another easy and exciting tutorial. Till then, take care, keep practicing, stay happy, goodbye.